y'all, welcome back. If this is your first time here, they call me Snickers. Alright, so today we're making 15 bean soup. I went ahead and let my beans soak in water overnight. Then I grabbed a smoked turkey leg from the store that I'm going to put in my crock pot. I am cooking mine on high. I grabbed a chicken bouillon cube, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Someone's auntie told me that if you put it at the bottom, then when you're cooking your food, it will rise up and season your food throughout your cooking process. I don't know if that really works, but I've been doing it, so yeah. Go ahead and grab your chicken broth. If you like this type of content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I like to add enough broth to where it's going to halfway cover the amount of meat that I am adding to my soup. I grabbed my smoked leg and put it in, let it cook for about 2 hours. Here I am just checking it to see how tender it is, added a little bit more seasoning, then I let it sit for about another hour and a half. I went ahead and grabbed my beans that I added to the broth. I'm going to let that cook for about 2 hours. Here I am just rechecking, seeing how it's all coming along. As you can see, the meat is starting to get tender and separate from the bone, which is what we're looking for, and I'm going to let that sit for about another hour. Next, I'm going to add some tomatoes. I use the Rotel tomatoes. Feel free to add whatever you like, stewed tomatoes or none. That's what I like, so I put it in there, so that's what I did. You do what you like. As you can see, it is really coming together. Just look at how delicious that looks. Doesn't that look amazing? It looks amazing. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for about another hour and a half. You can either stop it here or you can continue to let it cook. The longer you let it cook, the more thicker your broth is going to get. Again, they call me Snickers. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and share this with the people that you grew up with or the people that you know right now. Okay, look at how good that looks. Doesn't that just look delicious? Alright, that's that.